Hi everybody, I'm going to be doing using something called Blackboard Collaborate with you on the 20th of November for some assignment support for your CICW Collaborative for Individual and Community Wellbeing module. So I'm conscious that I haven't really done that much face-to-face teaching with you, and when you get back you'll be doing your presentation, so I wanted to give you some support prior to coming back into university. So I know you did some work with Petra on this last week as well, so hopefully you've all started to get some ideas together in your groups. And this is an optional thing, so it's just for people that want to opt in, because it will be quite late on in the evening. It'll be at 8 o'clock in the evening, but it's an optional thing. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you access the Blackboard Collaborate for those people that want to join the session. So this is the module homepage. And if you click down there, mine's already open, but you have an option for Site Tools. So you click onto Site Tools, click Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and then this takes you to what sessions, all upcoming sessions. So this is a test run because that's our session for the 20th of the 11th at 8, but obviously it's not started yet, so I've done a test run. So you just click onto that and then you just click Join Session. So that's me joining the session. Obviously the rooms, I'm the only person in the room at the minute, so you can share video if you want. So I probably will share the video for on the day. Lord. Okay, so the way it would work is that obviously I would be here. It's like Zoom really, but it allows for a lot more people to join, so I would be sat here waiting in an empty room, waiting for people to join. And it's got quite a nice option because you've got this option here where people can, so say for instance I've got 4 or 5 people in the room, and people want to ask questions. It could be quite haphazard if everyone's talking at once, so you've got this option here where you can raise your hand. So I would see then if somebody joined the room and raised a hand and say, oh, Sophie's just raised her hand. What question have you got, Sophie? And it generally works really, really well. And like I say, very similar to Zoom, but obviously it's got the options of the raising the hand, and we can also record this session as well, so we can record it for other people that aren't able to join the session, and it'll just be a chance for you to brainstorm ideas, what you've had for your presentations, and maybe just a bit of reassurance that you're on the right track. So if you're if you want to, like I say, it's an optional thing that you can do. It's not something you have to do. And then for the actual one, that was just a test run. The actual one is here, CICW assignment stroke presentation support. Like I say, that can just be found under your Site Tools and Blackboard Collaborate. Okay, so like I say, it's an optional thing, but I look forward to seeing those that want to join that. In between time, just actually before you go, just wanted to draw your attention to the discussion board. So if you go again under Site Tools, there is discussion board. And on there, we'll create, there's a few forums. So we've got work-based tasks. Again, we've got another assignment support and general module questions or feedback. So if you want to create a link, you can create a forum if it isn't there. They're just things that I've put on. But again, if you've got any assignment support questions, you can click on that and put them there. Just make sure, because I'm already subscribed, that when you click on, make sure you click subscribe, and that means that you even if you don't create a thread on there, you get sort of email notifications. It's quite nice, useful. People might ask questions that you'd not thought of or that you were going to ask. You just can create a thread You could put, I don't know, where can I get resources for demographic information? That's just something off the top of my head. And you would submit that, I would get an email, and then I could respond to that query. So yeah, so Blackboard Collaborate on the 20th of November at 8 o'clock for those that want it, and anything in between time, you please use the discussion board. Okay, thank you.